There's a whole bird up in my house. Where'd it go? There's a whole bird. Where did it go? Birdie, there's a bird in here. Hold on, he was on the ceiling fan. Where'd it go? I thought there was some home invader. There's a bird. Where did a bird even come from? All the doors are closed. There's no windows open. Eli, go find that bird. Where the frick did that bird come from? Oh my goodness, you see that freaking bird? There's a freaking bird. Why am I scared of a bird? Why am I scared of a bird? What is it gonna do? It ain't gonna do nothing to me. It ain't gonna attack me. Unless it's a mama. Oh, there's a garbage truck. I need to open that door, but that bird is not gonna like me walking up in there. It's a freaking bird. Eli, you're just gonna give up? The bird. It's a whole bird. Okay, birdie. Did you see it? Oh my gosh, I need to open that door, but I'm afraid it's gonna get scared at me and try and attack me. It looks like a robin. I don't think they're territorial or anything. Right? This is my territory. I shouldn't be afraid of a freaking bird. Oh my gosh, I need to open the door and let him fly out. Okay? Come on, Joseph. It's a bird. It's a freaking bird. Fly, get off the door. I need to open it. Where did it go? Oh my god. Oh, it's in there. Okay. I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm just gonna open the door. Oh my gosh. Okay, the door is open. Birdie? It's okay, Eli. It's just a bird. Come on. Come on. It needs to fly out here, but it's not going to. I need to scare it into this door before it smacks itself into a window and kills itself. Birdie, go that way. Go that way. Birdie, the door is open. The door is open. You can get out. You can get out that way. Go that way. Go that way. Bird, stop. Go that way. Oh my gosh. Birdie, the door's open. The door is open. Go. Leave. Stop. I could try and open the door. Please just don't poop in the house. The door's open. Look. Look to your left. The door's open. Fly out. You can do it. You can fly out. How did you even get in here? Yes! Oh my gosh. And never return. Oh my gosh.